Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the complexities of the legal system? Starting a business, protecting an invention, or even planning for your family's future can feel like navigating a dense jungle of paperwork, jargon, and uncertainty. For many, the traditional path of hiring a lawyer for every single step is simply too expensive, too time-consuming, and frankly, too intimidating. But what if there was a simpler, more accessible way to handle your essential legal needs? What if you could tap into professional legal support and create crucial documents from the comfort of your home at a fraction of the cost? This is where LegalZoom enters the picture. Since its launch in 2001, LegalZoom has positioned itself as a leading online legal technology and services company, aiming to democratize access to legal solutions for millions of individuals and small businesses. They've built their entire model around the idea that legal help shouldn't be a luxury, but an accessible tool for everyone. So, what exactly does LegalZoom offer, and how can it potentially simplify your legal journey? Let's dive in. At its core, LegalZoom provides a wide array of online legal services, primarily focusing on document preparation and direct access to independent attorneys through their network. Think of it as a comprehensive toolkit for common legal needs, designed to be user-friendly and efficient. They offer both one-time services for specific document creation and subscription-based plans for ongoing legal support, catering to diverse needs and budgets. One of LegalZoom's most popular offerings revolves around business formation. If you're an aspiring entrepreneur, this is likely where LegalZoom shines brightest for you. They make the often daunting process of establishing a new business remarkably straightforward. Whether you're looking to form a limited liability company, LLC, a corporation, S Corp or C Corp, a nonprofit, or even register a doing business as DBA name, LegalZoom guides you through each step. They help you choose the right business structure for your goals, prepare and file the necessary paperwork with the state, and even assist with obtaining an employer identification number, EIN, from the IRS, a crucial step for most businesses. Beyond initial formation, they also offer services to help you run your business smoothly, such as preparing operating agreements, bylaws, and providing registered agent services to ensure you receive important legal and tax documents. Beyond forming your business, LegalZoom understands the critical importance of intellectual property protection. In today's digital age, your brand, your inventions, and your creative works are invaluable assets. LegalZoom offers services to help you safeguard these. This includes trademark registration to protect your business name, logo, or slogan from being used by competitors. They also offer comprehensive trademark searches to ensure your chosen mark is available. For original creative works like books, music, art, or software, LegalZoom assists with copyright registration, granting you exclusive rights to use and profit from your creations. And for inventors, they provide support for patent applications, including provisional patent applications to give you patent pending status, and utility or design patents to protect how your invention works or looks. These services are designed to make the complex world of intellectual property accessible, helping you secure your valuable innovations. Moving beyond business, LegalZoom also offers extensive services for estate planning. This is a vital area often overlooked, but it's crucial for ensuring your wishes are honored and your loved ones are provided for. LegalZoom empowers individuals to create essential estate planning documents with ease. Their offerings include Last Will and Testament. This document dictates how your assets will be distributed after your passing and allows you to name guardians for minor children. Living Trust. A living trust can help you avoid probate court, potentially saving your beneficiaries time and money, and provides a clear plan for managing your assets during your lifetime and after. Healthcare Directive. Living Will. This document outlines your medical treatment preferences if you become unable to communicate them yourself. Financial Power of Attorney. This designates someone you trust to make financial decisions on your behalf if you become incapacitated. HIPAA Authorization. This allows designated individuals to access your protected health information. LegalZoom provides user-friendly questionnaires to guide you through creating these documents, and in their premium plans, they even offer attorney review of your documents and unlimited revisions for a certain period, providing an added layer of confidence. But what if you need more than just document preparation? What if you have specific legal questions or need personalized advice? LegalZoom addresses this with its attorney consultation and advisory services. They offer various plans that connect you with experienced, independent attorneys in their network. These plans often include unlimited 30-minute consultations on new legal topics, document reviews, and even annual legal checkups. This is a significant advantage, providing access to professional legal guidance without the high hourly fees often associated with traditional law firms. Whether it's a quick question about a contract, advice on a legal dispute, or simply understanding your options, these attorney plans can be incredibly valuable for both individuals and businesses. It's important to understand LegalZoom's business model. They are a legal technology company, not a law firm themselves, though they do own and operate a law firm, LZ Legal Services. For personalized attorney guidance, they leverage technology to streamline legal processes, making them more efficient and affordable. While their services are generally praised for their convenience and cost-effectiveness compared to traditional legal services, it's also worth noting that some users have reported higher costs for certain services compared to some direct competitors, and there can be persistent promotions for additional services. However, their 100% satisfaction guarantee within 60 days of purchase does offer a layer of reassurance. LegalZoom has certainly made a significant impact by expanding access to legal services for millions. They've empowered individuals and small businesses to take control of their legal needs, providing a practical and affordable alternative for many common legal situations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.